Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the Dermaco designed by dermatologist. So this is the serum of 10% niacinamide serum for acne marks. Okay, and it has a niacinamide, vitamin B3, and zinc. You can use this serum in daytime as well as nighttime. Okay, and this is also dermatological tested, and it is free from paraben and SLS. Okay, and it comes with 30 ml. So this is only for acne marks to if people who have acne marks, so you can use this. So this is the instructions how to use and where to store all these things, and you can see the price. So this is 600 and it's made in India. It is so read all the instructions how to store and where to store all these things. It is 600 here, but actually you can get these on lower price. Only buy these on sale. Okay, don't buy, like, I will recommend don't to buy exactly on the same price. If you buy on sales, it's profitable, right? So it's your wish. If you really want to purchase this, so you can purchase. This is 600, and you can see the expiry date over here. And again, see the it is like how to use. So this is sulfate free, dye free, which is it has no color, and it is paraben free, mineral oil also free. Okay, so see the ingredients over here. Okay, purified water, niacinamide, zinc, PCA, propylene glycol, glycerin. So first what you have to do, you have to cleanse your face. Then this is the second step after cleansing your face. Okay, you have to use serum after cleansing your face. So say goodbye to acne, pigmentation and other skin concerns with super awesome products crafted just for you. Okay, and after that we need to moisturize, and when you go out you have to protect, which means you have to apply sunscreen. And niacinamide is naturally present in avocado, so people who like eating avocado, so you will have nice niacinamide in your body, and you will get acne prone skin as well. So we have one tip over here, so which is really cute, they have mentioned here. And so as you can see here, the Dermaco 10% niacinamide serum is the ultimate solution for reducing acne marks. So you can clear acne marks and control sebum production, which means your pores will be minimized, and say goodbye to your skin cancers and go filter free in your next selfie. Okay, which means if you don't have acne like marks, so you can take nice selfies. They say like this, and it has vitamin B3, which is niacinamide also called as vitamin B3. So as you can see here, so you can use this, and you have to use this to use twice a day after cleansing your face with the Dermaco face wash. Apply 3 to 5 drops of serum on the entire face and neck, and massage gently until serum gets absorbed. Okay, so how not to use: do not use on wet face. Okay, you should never use this serum on your wet face. We already know that, right? Serum will be applied on dry after cleansing the face. So this is the Dermaco. So I will be using this for my face for acne prone skin. I'm using this from around 5 days, so it is really good, and it's really moisturizing, and it has moisturizing properties. And I like it because I really like this because it is like water based. I only like water based kind of serums. I don't like oily serums because they stick to our face and makes our skin oily, and I really don't like. But this serum is like really watery and nice, and it dries when you apply this under the fan. Okay, and nice air. So this is, it comes with extra packaging, I mean extra cap like this, and you will get this dropper. So this is how the packaging looks like. So this is like heavy, and this is like glass, and this is 30 ml niacinamide serum. Okay, so you can see the details. Same, this is like same the thing which is written on the cap, on the packaging, the same is written on the bottle as well. So see, same packaging, same thing. So ingredients are written over here. So I will show you how to apply this. So this is how it looks. Comes with 30 ml. Okay, and I will show you how it looks. Wait a second. So you can see the serum here. So this is the serum. So it comes with a dropper like this, and I will show you how to. So you need to press with the dropper like this, so that will collect the product in this one dropper. So you have to press like this, and you have to open, and you have to take like this, so you will get the product. So this is like transparent. See, this is transparent, and it has nice smell, like baby soap, like Dove. So which is not like people who are allergic to fragrance, they really like this, right? So I really like, I don't like heavy perfumes, I only like baby kind of fragrances and mild fragrances. So this is really good in a serum. This is like nice fragrance, so that's why I like this so much. So as you can see, it's like water based. So I will drop over here. So as you can see, so this is how you need to apply, okay, on your face. So this is really nice product. I will highly recommend you, because this is really nice and smells really good. So this is how you have to use. You have to use 4 to 3 drops on your face. So I will just show you the demo. So watch, okay, and don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, so this is the 10% niacinamide, the Dermacom. This is like a serum, so which removes acne marks, okay, not pimples. This removes only acne marks, okay. So it is only made for to remove acne marks. Sometimes we have pimples, but when we have like spots and all, so it doesn't look nice on your face, right? So I also have little bit pimples, because we are human, of course we will have little bit of acne, right? So for I have purchased this 10% niacinamide, okay. So what you have to do is, you have to use this in day and as well as night, okay. It is like, this serum is like non-sticky, and it is like a water based serum. So this is how it looks from the inner side. So this comes with 30 ml packaging, okay. And also this is made of glass, the container, and you will get a cap like this, and you will get a dropper. So what you have to do, you have to press the dropper, and you have to apply. So this is again a transparent serum. So you have to take this on your palm or on your, so this is, as you can see, so this is runny texture, it has runny texture. So you can blend this easily, because it's like water based, right? And so what you have to do, you have to take a 2 to 3 4 drops of your serum onto your face, okay. Why I'm doing like this, because it runs down, okay. When it runs down, you have to do with your hands like this. So again I'm taking. So the smell is like mild smell. So if you know the baby powder and the baby shower, you will know the smell. So it has like baby mild smell, exactly like same like that. And so you have to massage it like this onto your skin, okay. So it is like very nice and very comfortable. And as you can see, so it is like water based, it doesn't leave any kind of like itchiness, and like any like what we say, like any irritating and allergic to skin. It's really nice. So niacinamide is actually found in avocado, okay. I mean, people who like avocado or eating avocado, you will get niacinamide from that. So this is what it makes, I mean, this is what it is. And so you have to apply like this in circular motions. You have to apply it all over your face, okay, but don't go slow to your eye, okay. I have applied, but you should not. So I'm just showing you. So this is what it looks from the closer. So as you can see, okay. So this is from natural light. I have taken my face from natural light. I didn't use any kind of filters, lights and anything. In daylight I have just filmed this video. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.